What's up, guys? I had to do an emergency video tonight, and before I get into what I want to talk about, I just want to say that my sinuses have never been more clogged than they are right now, so my voice probably sounds a little different, but hey, the show must go on. That's what I always say, so we're going to push through. Guys, if you've been doing any niche research on Amazon lately, I'm sure you have seen this brand called Born, okay? So I just did a Control F search for Born, and I searched for 100 Days of School. They have 13 shirts on page 1, okay? 13. And they're, by the way, this brand, I don't understand exactly what's going on. I'll get into my theories, but I just want to show you really quickly. If your sales have dropped off recently, because I've seen some people talking about sales dropped off. I checked my sales yesterday. It was like $50. I was like, what? That's low for me. Black History Month. Let's do Born. Control F. 48 instances on Black History Month. Look at this. So all I did was I went to the search merch tool, typed in Black History Month, all right? So we're getting the organic, like non-Amazon merch products should be filtered out. I think they may dominate every single shirt on page 1. Every single shirt. Yeah, look at that. Every single one. Every single shirt on Black History Month is from this brand. Valentine's Day, let's count. Page 1, 19 occurrences. And by the way, they're stealing these designs. They're just ripping off the most successful designs and reposting them. On Tuesday, remember the TWOSDAY, the Tuesday, 2/22/22, 32 of the top listings. I do not know what's going on here, but now we can theorize. And actually, you know what, before we even theorize, we can all work together to hopefully get this wrong righted. I will drop a link at the top of this video, okay, that goes to the Amazon infringement report. And if we all work together and try to report these listings, like maybe we just work together and just report the Black History Month listings. I don't know. That maybe like the overlapping, if all of us do it, or at least like, you know, a good percentage of us do it, report at least one shirt. If everybody just reports one, I think we'll be good. Maybe we can get them taken down, because this is absurd. Now, but this also begs the question, why are they getting such preferential treatment by the Amazon algorithm? Now, I'm not the only person that's probably noticed that, like, I'm trying to find an example here. You know, we do niche research regularly. We see things like, you know, Disney shirts and big brands like that. They get preferential treatment for sure in search results. So we know that's a thing. Or we don't know for sure, but it sure seems that way, right? I've documented instances of that in my previous videos. So is this brand, this Born brand, getting preferential treatment? Like, is the switch on the back end that we have no control over flipped to where products getting indexed on this word Born are getting this preferential treatment? Like, I don't know. I'm just speculating. Another thing you'll notice, though, is that they're typically priced very low and they're keyword stuffing. So, you know, I don't think any level of keywords will get you automatically to page 1 the way that this brand seems to have done that. I mean, this is absurd. Black History Month. They have every single listing on page 1. Something's up, guys. If you have any ideas of what's happening, comment below. Let's work together to crowdsource a solution. But at a minimum, everybody just report one listing. My suggestion is just search Black History Month and report one listing, and let's see if we can get this fixed. But guys, I'm gonna go take some what do I take, like Sudafed or something, to hopefully get my my nasal cavities opened up. But guys, have a good night. Let's try to get this fixed.